When I first heard about the NAS system, I thought, isn't that the exact same thing as an external hard drive? I mean, you store your data, it holds your files, so what exactly is the big deal? But after digging into the UGREEN NAS DH4300 Plus, I realized that it goes beyond the simple storage and it provides the absolute control. Now, the UGREEN NAS DH4300 Plus is what they call the private home cloud, and that means that it works like a Google Drive or iCloud, but your data lives inside of your house, on your own hard drives, and not someone else's servers, because that is a huge difference. And now, to clarify, cloud storage isn't really ownership, you're basically renting a space. Now, to put that into perspective, so we understand, the external hard drive and the NAS systems are a big difference, because let's just say that you buy a 20 terabyte external hard drive, you plug it into your computer, you store the files, and that's pretty much it. If the hard drive fails, your data could be gone, and you can't easily access from your phone unless your computer is on, and there's no built-in multi-user system, there's no surveillance management. But now let's go ahead and compare that into the NAS system, because the UGREEN NAS supports up to 120 terabytes of storage. You can have multiple users access it from Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, or even TV, and it connects through your network. You can log in quickly via NFC, and it walks through the setup very easy step by step. But what's the real upgrade? The RAID redundancy. If one drive fails, your data is automatically mirrored to another drive in real time, and that is built-in protection and not something that you have to manually manage. Alright guys, I'm on the computer and I wanted to show you the interface of the UGREEN. Once you install it, this is what it's going to look like a separate desktop, but it's inside of their software that you can just drag around, okay? This is my normal computer, and this is the actual UGREEN system. Now, this is its own menu, and over here we have files. I already created a shared folder, which is called the Big Backup. Ignore the first one, I had to try it. And now I have the second one. This is already connected to my computer. To show you, I'm gonna transfer a few files, let's say 4K videos over here. All I'm gonna do is go and put them inside. Now is uploading the content on to the shared folder. Again, to differentiate this is its own cloud. So I already put the videos from my actual computer, physical computer hard drive, onto my cloud. You can access them also inside of my computer, and they are here. So this is on my physical computer. I have a copy of my cloud. It is located in my living room. Now, the interface also comes with a few extra apps that you can install, like the theater. You can put movies, videos, anything into one place. You have the vault. Already installed the sync and backup. You have a snapshot. You have a few things that are very, very useful for this system and for the backup system and cloud overall. And the most important part is how to access the files that we just uploaded. And it's here under files. And here is my shared folder that I created from my computer, so I can access it anywhere. And the only thing that we have to do is just click it, and that's it. All of the videos that we just uploaded, they are here. The video starts playing in 4K. All right guys, I downloaded the photo app, and it has this AI features where you can search for almost anything that you type, and then it's going to recognize the image and it gives you the result of what you were looking for. Let's go ahead and start with the normal vehicle, a car. And see, and as you can tell, it gave me the cars. Go ahead and put something like, I have a picture of the ocean, me and the ocean. So I'm gonna put ocean. Yep, and that's me when I went to Ireland, and it's me in the ocean. That was pretty nice. Sunglasses. Yep, there I am, robot. Yep, right here. Now this is the robot vacuum. Go ahead and put camel. Yep, there it is. And this is the picture of my friend in the camel in Morocco. Pretty nice AI feature. Now, another great feature that is worth mentioning, and I can't show you to you now because I don't have a house with security camera system, but if you do, this can serve as a central hub where you can watch your surveillance cameras in real time, and you can play back any archived content anytime, anywhere, and use the AI tools so you can search through the content a lot easier. Now, here's the practical side, because the cloud storage fees add up month after month, year after year, and with the NAS, you invest once in the hardware and you own the drives and you scale as needed, so it's long-term efficiency instead of recurring rent. So to summarize this, no, it is not an external hard drive. It is a private cloud, a backup system, a smart home data hub, a multi-user server, a surveillance manager, and a long-term storage investment. And the biggest difference
is that you own it.
So if you are interested in setting up one of these NAS systems in your house, make sure that you check out the link in the description below because we have an exclusive discount for our viewers. And let me know in the comments below, would you rather stay with the normal external hard drive, or now that we all understand what a NAS system is, would you rather upgrade to a NAS system? Thank you guys for watching. If you are enjoying this content, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe so you can support the channel and stay tuned for more content. That's it for this episode. See you guys on the next video.